Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to blur the edges of two photos together. Okay, see this. I already inserted to this image. Step 1. Select the selection tool. Refine its header. Layer mask. Okay. Or step 2. Step 2. Hold Control. Select right click. Convert to smart object. Again right click. Rasterize layer. Refine its header. Layer mask. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.